Tired of your LinkedIn profile not reflecting all the awesome things you've done? Let's fix that and get you noticed by adding your experience the right way. First, head to your LinkedIn profile by clicking on the Me icon at the top right of your LinkedIn homepage, then select View Profile. Scroll down to the Experience section. If you haven't added any experience yet, it might just say Add Experience. Otherwise, look for the plus icon on the right side of the Experience section header. Click it. A pop-up window labeled Add Experience will appear. Start by filling out your title. For this example, we'll use Marketing Manager. Next, select the employment type. Let's choose full-time. Now, type in the company field. As you type, LinkedIn will suggest companies. Select the correct one from the drop-down. Next, enter the location, for example, New York, NY. If you're still at this job, toggle the I am currently working in this role to on. If you are not currently in the role, you will need to select a start date and end date by selecting the month and year from the drop-down menus. The description field is crucial. Don't just list your duties. Describe your accomplishments and the impact you made. Use keywords relevant to your industry to help recruiters find you. Scroll down to the Skills section and click Add Skills. Type in relevant skills related to the job and select them from the drop-down list. Adding skills increases your profile visibility and helps recruiters find you when searching for candidates with specific expertise. Once you've filled out all the information, scroll back to the top of the window and click Save. Your new experience entry will now be visible on your profile. Keep adding your experiences, and remember to tailor them with descriptions and skills that highlight your value. Now go get hired. #LinkedIn tips. #career development.